Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to tag blog posts and links. So let's get started. So as you can see right here, I am on the dashboard of my site. So this is a blog site. Perhaps you can see this blog right here. So just click on the blog and then from in there, click on post. And then from in there, you will be able to see the blog post that you have created. So I have here this. So if I want to add a tag, I just need to click on this tags right here. And then from in there, what I can do is I can click on this create tag, then enter in here a tag name. So for example, let's put in mom life. And then from in there, you can actually just click on save right here. You can also add another tag if you want. So just put in here kids life and then click on save. Totally depends on you what you want to put as your tag there. So from this, let's head over to the post. And then from in there, let's just select a post that we want. And then from in there, you should be able to see this option for tags. So click on tags right here. Then just enter in here a tag. So you have here the two ones that we have created. So just click on this one. Then just click on the one that is appropriate. So if you want to add another tag, from in there, just put in here something and then just click on the enter and it will be added as a tag. Once you have done that, click on publish. And then once you have published it, you will be able to see that this has been updated. So when we head over to our tags right here, we should be able to see our tags. As you can see, this new hashtag has been added. Then as you can see, one post has been under this specific tag name. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to blog tag posts. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below and subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!